Let's begin with breaking news in Donald Trump's trade war. Stocks opening down sharply this morning. You see the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ all in the red by several hundred. And we expect the president of Mexico to announce her country's response any moment now to the tariffs President Trump slapped on Mexico, Canada, and China over the weekend. Canada already announcing its own counter tariffs in response. Joining us now, NBC News senior White House correspondent Gabe Gutierrez, our business correspondent Brian Chung, and Justin Wolfers, professor of economics and public policy at the University of Michigan. Brian, we're already seeing the markets responding here. We're also, of course, waiting to see what this means for everyday Americans on the cost of goods. What kind of reaction can we expect?
Yeah, well, Wall Street having a negative reaction to the tariffs. Again, this is the first market day since the tariffs were announced over the weekend, but we're seeing the Dow down over 1%. The NASDAQ, those tech-heavy stocks, are down 2%. But look, there are Main Street implications to all of this for regular Americans that have to pay for things that have already been expensive over the last 4 years. Those costs could rise further under these proposed tariffs. When you just talk about gasoline, for example, again, that 10% tariff specifically on Canadian energy likely to lead to increases of between 15 to 25 cents per gallon at the pump. And also when it comes to cars, this is a big one. The automotive industry is very deeply intertwined between our neighbors to the north and south. The average retail car price likely to rise by $3,000. And then you also look at the other types of goods that we import from Canada and Mexico. From Mexico, a lot of agricultural products, tomatoes, avocados. We also get beef and beer from them. And from Canada, you also look at some very similar types of products as well when you talk about beef as well. So look, the implications of this, I just can't underscore, are so wide-ranging because these are our major trade partners when it comes to China, Canada, and Mexico. They account for 42% of all imports to the United States as of last year. These are our major friends and trade partners.
So, Gabe, Mexico is expected to announce its response this hour. Canada already saying it will retaliate with its own tariffs. What is the latest in this back and forth?
Well, hi there, Anna. Good morning. I'm actually just looking down at my phone. This press conference set to begin any moment now with Mexico's president. So we will try to see exactly what her response will be. Already, she said that her country is looking into a plan B and also talking about retaliatory tariffs against the United States. Now, President Trump also just a short time ago, he did announce that he has spoken with Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau just this morning. He complained that Canada didn't allow U.S. banks to operate inside the country, but he also brought up this issue of a drug war, and essentially he is justifying these tariffs by saying that Canada is allowing illegal drugs and fentanyl to pour into the United States. Now, President Trump also saying that he plans to speak with Prime Minister Trudeau once again this afternoon at 3 o'clock Eastern Time, Anna.